Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I figured I would do a little bit of a Sephora haul for you guys. As you can tell, I went to Sephora and picked up quite a few goodies, and I also completed an online order, so that actually just came in the other day. So I figured now that I have all my products in front of me, I'm gonna go ahead and do a haul because I haven't done one of these before, so I figured why not. So if you're curious to see what products I picked up, then please be sure to go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright, so the first few products I got were just refills, so I figured I'll go ahead and get those out of the way. So this is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I've been using this for about a year now, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it's very moisturizing for my skin, and it does feel like it cleans the skin as well, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling like stripped of moisture or anything like that. So had to pick up this and repurchase that. Along with that, it actually came in like a holiday duo pack, so it ended up coming with the Fresh Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash, which I don't use this as a face wash, I just use it as like a physical exfoliant. I've only used it like a few times and I like it. It's nothing like super harsh, which I do like. And I know that sometimes like with physical exfoliants you have to watch out just because sometimes they can give you like micro tears in your skin, but I only use this about like once a week. I mainly like using chemical exfoliants, like lactic acid, glycolic acid, things like that. But since it came in a pack and it was about the same price as just getting this alone, I figured why not? And I've really been liking it so far. Would I repurchase it? Probably not, but this one I'm gonna continuously repurchase. I love it so much. So next I have two things from the brand Pharmacy. I have the Deep Sweep 2% BHA toner. I have been using this for about, you can tell I've been using it for about like a week and a half now, and I actually really like it. It's not super drying on my skin, which I also like, but that also could be due to another product that I'm about to show you guys. I really like it. I feel like after I double cleanse, this really helps just to, you know, further cleanse the pores. It's really good to use a toner before using serums and everything like that, because you have to think of your skin kind of like a sponge, and if you wet a sponge first and then put soap on it, it's gonna sink into the pores, right? So it's the same thing with your skin. If you use a toner, depending on your skin type and depending on like what your skin goals are, I definitely like this one. I feel like it's really helped kind of combat some of like the acne that I have lately, but it's not drying out my skin, which is a huge bonus. But I also believe that that might be because of this moisturizer. This is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I absolutely love it. The packaging is so cute. It's like aesthetically pleasing. I just like it. I feel like it fits my aesthetic, like with the woods. And then this top is magnetic, which I thought was cute. And it's just this very like thick hydrating moisturizing cream. And I really love this, especially for the winter months. Then moving right along into another skincare product, this is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I feel like this, in conjunction with the products that I have been using, have really been helping my skin, you know, from not being super dried out, but it's super cute. It looks like a little plum, and it's just this like, it has a pump on it, which I really like, and it's just like a very hydrating serum, and I've only been using it for about a week, like I said, but I feel like I've been loving it and my skin's been loving it. So now that I went ahead and, you know, went through the skincare, I'm gonna go ahead and start with complexion products. So first and foremost, I did pick up a new primer. It is the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum Primer. I used it today for the makeup that I wore, and I really do like it. I feel like it's a nice hydrating base. And you do get a lot of product. You get 1 fluid ounce. The packaging is super cute, and it does come with a dropper, and I really like it. I'll definitely have to try it out more, but so far I feel like it really gives this beautiful like radiance luminosity to the skin, and it's really hydrating as well, which is something my skin has been needing desperately lately. And with this haul, I went a little foundation crazy, so I got the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, which I have the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer that they released a few years ago, and I absolutely love it. And I got this in the shade Mont Blanc, which might be a little light for me, but I'll go ahead and try it out in another video. I plan on doing like a wear test video with this, so stay tuned for that. And I also did pick up the Rare Beauty foundation and concealer, and there's actually a wear test video on my channel now. I'll be sure to link it up here for you guys. If you're curious to see how this foundation wore throughout the day, then be sure to check out that video. And last but not least for foundation, I ended up picking up the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Finish Stick Foundation, and this is actually the foundation that I'm wearing on my face today. I really like it. I feel like the packaging is so sleek. You do get a pretty good amount of product in here as well. If you're curious to see how I created this full face right here, I'll actually link it right here for you guys, and it'll actually be using the majority of the products that I got today in this haul. Moving on to the face complexion, I ended up picking up this One Size Beauty Translucent Setting Powder, and I also used it in that video today. I'm wearing it today on my skin, and I feel like it just really helped to give my skin more of like an airbrushed, flawless finish. I believe that this powder is only like $30, which for the amount of product that you're getting 1.2 ounces. I mean, that's a lot of powder to go through in my opinion. But the packaging I thought was so cute. It's so sleek, so simple, but yet elegant. I feel like this is something I could just like have sitting on a shelf and it would look cute. But yeah, upon first impression, I really love this powder. Another complexion product that I got was the Ilia Drawn In Matte Bronzing Powder. I absolutely love this bronzer. It's the one that I'm wearing today. I feel like it just gives such a beautiful, like, natural, like, bronze finish to the skin without it being too warm or too cool. However, this is a very pigmented bronzer, and I kind of swirled my brush in it and then applied it, and it was a bit dark. But I'll go ahead and swatch it right there for you guys. I think it's just such a nice color. It's very creamy and it blends onto the skin super easily. And I think it's definitely going to be a product that is going to have to remain on my makeup desk. Now I ended up picking up two blushes. I picked up the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Liquid in the shade Joy. We love this color. I feel like it's such a nice, like, beautiful, like, pinky, warm toned, like, peachy shade, and that is it swatched right there. I think it is absolutely beautiful. And sticking with the blush theme, I ended up also getting the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Sublime Flush. Now this blush, let me tell you, it is beautiful. And I love the Hourglass blushes because in the pan, I feel like they don't really look like anything special, and even swatched, oh my gosh, it's just so buttery, and it looks like this like baby pink shade. And I went ahead and swatched it right there for you guys, but with the Hourglass blushes, I feel like swatching them doesn't do them justice. You just have to apply them to your face, and they are so beautiful, and they give you like such a nice, like, natural radiant finish. Like, you're just like naturally blushing and glowy and just beautiful. So I really do love that blush. So that was it for the complexion products. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to eyes. So I did end up picking up two of the new Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable liquid eyeshadows. I picked up the shade Nearly Neutral and Nearly Mauve. These are the two shades that really caught my attention just because I don't have any liquid eyeshadows in my collection, so I thought that these would be so nice. This one is Nearly Neutral and this one is Nearly Mauve. But I really do love the shades. I'll go ahead and swatch them, and they give you like a nice matte finish. At least that's what they claim to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them right here for you guys so you just can kind of see the colors. But I honestly cannot wait to play with these on the eyes. I feel like I'm gonna do a first impressions or like a Valentine's Day look with these eyeshadows, so definitely stay tuned for that. So these are the shades right here. We have this one, which is Nearly Neutral, and this one, which is Nearly Mauve. I feel like on the eye, they're gonna be so pretty, and I've heard that the way that they blend out is like a dream, so I cannot wait to play with these. So I went ahead and picked up one of the Makeup by Mario Master Crystal Reflectors, and I picked it up in the shade Quartz just because I don't really have anything like this in my collection. It's this beautiful, like, micro glitter that you can just like pop on top of eyeshadows or pop on your face as like a highlight topper. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop some of this on my eye. but I think for me personally, I'm definitely going to use it as like an eyeshadow topper. I feel like it just gives you these beautiful like micro glitter crystals to the eye, and I feel like it just looks so pretty and so effortless. And honestly, like glitter eye toppers like this are some of my favorites, and I cannot wait to play around with this one more. And the last thing that I got for the eyes is the new Bite Beauty Upswing Mascara, and I am so excited to try this. I feel like the packaging is just beautiful. It's this nice like rose gold. It's very simple, and the wand on it says to be super volumizing, which I can tell it kind of looks like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Kind of has like that hourglass shape, but I'm really excited to play with this mascara and see if it holds up to everything that it claims to do. It says it's volumizing, lifting, lengthening, curl enhancing, smudge resistant, and it has an intense black color. So I'm super excited to try this out, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted on what I think. And last but not least, I ended up getting 3 lip products. So I picked up the Fenty Beauty Unbutton Stunna Lip Paint. I have been eyeing this one for a while, and I figured, you know, I'm buying everything else, might as well just pick it up. But this is the color that I'm wearing on my lips right now. I'm also wearing, in conjunction with this, the Pat McGrath Contour Lip Liner, as well as the next lip product I'm going to mention. It's the Bite Beauty Yay Sayer Plumping Lip Gloss that is infused with cinnamon oil. And when I tell you it smells like a dream, I'm not joking. It has like this beautiful like light vanilla cinnamon scent, and I feel like it did plump my lips, but it wasn't like tingly or burning or anything like that like some of the other lip plumpers have. But I got it in the shade Guava Puff, which is like this really pretty like cool toned pinky shade. But in my mind, it definitely doesn't translate like that on the lips just because it's the shade that I'm wearing, and I feel like it just gave me like this beautiful like juicy plump effect to my lips, and I'm definitely going to be picking up more shades. I did get like one of the lighter shades in the range just because I feel like it would go with everything, but I'm definitely going to be picking up Cinnamon Twist, which is like this beautiful brown shade, as well as Cider Donut on my next trip to Sephora. And another lip product that I got was the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm, also from Rare Beauty, and I got this in the shade Nearly Mauve just because, you know, I was more drawn to nearly neutral, but I figured I would step outside of my comfort zone. I don't have a gloss or like a balm that's like this shade, so I figured why not? And I'll just go ahead and apply some now. They say it's like a balmy consistency. I definitely do get that, but it's not tacky. It seems to be like very hydrating. It has like a good like slip to it, so I'm excited to play with that a little bit more. Last but certainly not least, I did pick up the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray. I used it today, and I can honestly say upon first impressions, I absolutely love it. I feel like the color of it's super fun, and I feel like it really did help to melt all my makeup together and give me this like beautiful, like lightly radiant luminosity to the skin. And this is definitely a product I'm going to keep on my makeup desk, just that way I can, you know, have the chance to keep trying it out and see if it, you know, holds up to all the claims that it has. So I'm excited to keep trying this out, and maybe I'll even do like a wear test comparison in between the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray as well as the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Spray, because this is one of my favorites, and the longevity that this helps your makeup achieve is absolutely insane. So if you'd like to see a video comparing the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush and the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, be sure to let me know down below in the comments, because I'd love to film that for you guys, especially because I am very intrigued myself to see what one ends up lasting longer. Alright, and that is it for the makeup products. Last but not least, I did get this really cute like makeup brush holder. It was kind of one of the specials that they were running where if you spent like $25 or $35, you could enter in a code and get this really cute, fun makeup brush holder. So I figured why not, for free. And it's actually a pretty decent size too. When I saw it online, I was expecting it to be, you know, small, like something like the size of like a coffee mug, but this is actually has a really good size to it and a nice weight. And I thought it was really cute. I love the little lash detail on it, and I thought it would go really well with my lash out little decoration back there. so I'll probably throw some makeup brushes in it and throw it on the shelf back there. Alright, you guys, and that completes today's video. That is everything that I picked up on my latest run to Sephora. If there is anything that you'd like to see from me next, please be sure to drop that down in the comments, as well as is there any of these products that you've tried? Let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear them. And before you leave, please be sure to subscribe as well as hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I upload a video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys!